Noney da election campaign chathabalakpa Union Minister R.K. Ranjan tongba helicopter ama Noney gi helipad landing tauba Yakhidre Congress ki supporter Gaidon Kamai gi miyoi singna LFC Longmai Part 1 da Ranjan gi helicopter adu landing taunaba honabada athingba pikhibani hairi Nungba AC da BJP gi mereb oiriba Diganglum Gangmai Allies Dipu gi Longmai Part 3 da public meeting ama saruk yananaba Union Minister R.K. Ranjan asi Noney da lakhibani Irang TOUHANKHIDRE BJP gi worker amadi supporter singna haizaki adubu helicopter adu landing tauba yahankidabani hairi Thaudok asiga mari lainana BJP Nungba Mandalna Union Minister da lale haijabaga loinana Nungba Police amadi District Administration da Chenariba Singhi mathakta chapchaba action lokhatnamba su haijakre hairi Panba yabade hanagi UNC gi President Gaidon Kamai asi lakadoriba Manipur Assembly Mikhal asida BJP ki tiketa mirep oinanaba thaurang taurambani adubu party na Dipu Gangmaida oina ticket pikhibani haike
To see like this incident, and we would like to tender apology to the Union Minister. The police and district administration should take appropriate action deemed fit. We have submitted all relevant evidences. We appeal the party leadership and higher authority to take necessary action against Gaidon Kamai for his anti-party activities and for endangering the life of Honorable Union Minister and his entourage. The public meeting has been performed with BJP candidate Sri Dipu Gangmai, IS retired and party leaders at Lomma Part 3 as scheduled successfully. We would like to appeal to all our BJP Karyakatas, supporters, well-wishers to remain calm and restrained from violence. We shall overcome long-live the
Congress supporter Gaidon party ki magi relative magi imung manung nupi angang sing thadoka Union Minister of External Affairs and Education Dr. RANJAN'S ki magi khongchatta helicopter koi L shape haiba long march chassis fellowship ki ground da landing to wi aro hana hokana mai sukhalapagi magi Gaidon ki supporter ba Gaidon ki relative miyam tholaga ira mo thondana koi bu hairiba Dipu Gangmai ki ngasi election campaign ki meeting amar Noney Part 3 da ngasi lebisida apan ba magone pibagi landing to dadana Union Minister muhan kibigi pen daba si workers party leaders miyam workers miyam pen daba miyam
को जो ताबिया दल फिल्म दले इन्होंने दा यूनियन मिनिस्टर लापदा हेलीपैड हेलीकॉप्टर ताबिया रोइना कोंजन जंगी लापदा हेलीकॉप्टर ताबिया दल फिल्म दले
Fighting